It's time for you to pay attention. Bitcoin has been repeating this exact same pattern every single cycle right beneath your nose, and nobody has picked up on it. This is what they are not telling you. Take a look at the facts. It all started 11 years ago. At the 11 years ago, we had the market cycle top. After the top, gruesome bear market. And the bear market ended right here with a bullish engulfing candle. Bullish engulfing candle made us explode into a bull run. And exactly 1, 2, 3, 4 candles later, we reached our all-time high. It was exactly 4 candles after the bullish engulfing candle. And we go to the next market cycle top. Then again, a bloody bear market. And once again, the bear market was over when we had a bullish engulfing candle. And once again, it was exactly 4 candles to our market cycle top. Take a look. Bullish engulfing candle, bear market over. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles to our exact market cycle top. The exact same pattern that we have printed previously. Precisely 4 candles to our market cycle top. Then we go to our next. We had our market cycle top of 2021. We had our gruesome bear market. It was all the same. When was the bear market over? When we had a bullish engulfing candle print. After the bullish engulfing candle print, we should have 4 candles to our market cycle top. Where are we right now? 1, 2, we are in our 3rd candle. In today's video, we're going to dig into exactly where we should be in this 3rd candle and where we should be in our 4th candle. And you better be sitting down because the math is going to blow your mind. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Steve. I quit my job over 13 years ago, been traveling the world since, thanks to my trading and investing skills. Join me for sponsorship-free TA with genuine value that actually works. Subscribe. Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we're on the 6th-month chart. On the 6th-month chart, we have this repeating pattern right beneath our nose that we've got to dig into. And what I really want to hone in on is where we should be right now as we are in this 3rd candle and when that 4th candle will print. Everyone wants to know. That's the $1 million question. Are we going to be having a top in this year in 2024? Is it possible to be in 25? Or are we going to get really lucky and have our market cycle top be all the way in 2026? Do we still have a long runway of bull run left, or is it a short one? Wait till I show you the math that we've got to uncover. But what I want you to do is just take a visual representation of where we are right now in this 3rd candle. And then we've got to rewind the clocks. We've got to go all the way back to the early days, 2013. 2013, top of the market, gruesome bear market. And you can see we printed a bullish engulfing candle. Now, bullish engulfing candle has to follow these rules. The prior candle has to be red. The current candle has to be green. And the current green candle has to have a body bigger than the prior red body. If all of those things are true, you have yourself a bullish engulfing candle. Now, a bullish engulfing candle technically is just a trend reversal candle, meaning we had a gruesome downtrend. We printed this trend reversal thing, and then we went on a trend reversal to the upside. And it's just a mark of the beginning of the bear market. Keep in mind, when we print this bullish engulfing candle, you'll find that 85% of all of the humans in crypto believe we're going a lot lower. Why? Because we just had a gruesome bear market, and that's what everyone thinks. Tilt your phone to the side and subscribe, right? It's just like at every top of the market, the high majority think we're going a lot higher. At the bottom of the market, the high majority think we're going a lot lower. The majority is always wrong. You always want to do the opposite. You want to base it on facts. So we printed this little bullish engulfing candle as exactly 1, 2, 3, 4 candles to the top. Then we went to the next cycle, and you can see bullish engulfing candle. We had the first candle red. We had the second candle green. Green body bigger than the red. All of those things are yes. We've got ourselves a bullish engulfing candle. 4 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the top. Now, I want you to really hone in. This is the third candle in this sequence from January 2017. This is the third candle in the sequence. We are in the third candle right now, but the third candle right now hasn't printed yet. But we want to get an idea of where we are at with that third candle. Now, as we move into it, we're going to do some math on this third candle from 2017, and we're going to compare it to the third candle of 2020. What you notice right away is the 2017 third candle had a new all-time high. What you'll notice about the 2020 third candle is that it also had a new all-time high. What you can't see with your human eye is mathematically what it's saying about where we should potentially be with the third candle now. This is where things get very interesting. So I'm going to show you the math here in a moment, but I just want you to take a look at this 2022-2023 candle printing. Keep in mind, we're on the 6-month chart, meaning each candle represents 6 months of price action. Within 6 months of price action, we go up, we go down, we go sideways, we go backwards, we forwards, we go all the directions, right? By the way, for the past 250-ish days, we've had the same exact storyline in Bitcoin. We've had the 2-month gravestone doji candle print, and the only thing that can save the day for Bitcoin is the weekly stochastic RSI paired with the 2-week stochastic RSI. Let that move breathe. That could need several more months to play out. In the meantime, there's another thing that we've talked about the past handful of months. What Bitcoin must do. It has to take out the swing high of July, and it's got to get several candles confirming above the $72,000 range, holding as support. If it doesn't, we run the risk of rolling over and going even lower. Those are the facts in the charts. Stay true to the facts in the charts. Stay level-headed. Don't make any emotional decisions. And the rest is history. What we notice is that we printed a little old bullish engulfing candle right on schedule, right at the bottom of the bear market. And once again, yours truly was sitting here in this chair screaming that it's highly, highly, highly probable that the bottom is in, that it would be the biggest call of my life, that I should get a Nobel Prize if I'm correct, because 85% of humans on Earth were against me with that call, including the world's top economists predicted that 2023 was going to be the worst crash in human history in the stock market, crypto, you name it. We were on the other side of the fence saying that 2023 was going to be the start of the bull in stock market, crypto, etc. 2023, the first 6 months, were actually the best 6 months on record in the last 40 years in the stock market. Just the facts. Don't listen to the herd. Listen to the facts. So we printed this bullish engulfing candle. We are 1, 2, 3 candles into it, not printed yet. Let's get to the math. And then after we do the math, I want to tell you where we are projected potentially with this third candle based on some simple math, and what is possible and what is probable. And we're going to end out this video with where this fourth candle is going to print. What time frame? You know, is it going to print in 2024? Is this thing going to print sometime in 25? Or are we going to get really lucky and this thing is going to print in 2026 and we've got a lot of time left in the bull? Let's get to that here. We're going to hone in on the third candle, 2017. Clearly made an all-time high relative to the prior all-time high of 2014, right? How much higher did it make? Well, when you do a little measured move here, you can see it went up like 138% above its prior all-time high. Now keep in mind, each cycle has diminishing returns by a factor of 5.3. So we're going to compare that third candle to this third candle of 2020. The first one was 138%, and this one, is roughly 46%. Okay? So clearly a lot less. However, we've got 2 data points on our hands. When you look at the mathematical similarities between 138% and then falling all the way to 46-ish%, it tells us if we were to do that exact same move in the next cycle, we would go up something like 16%. In other words, if you take the mathematical similarities between 138 and this 46, 47, right? And you take that same mathematical equation and apply it to where we were in this third candle and where we should potentially go in this candle, it projects that we could possibly go, if we repeated the same mathematical similarities between these, we would go up roughly 15 to 16% from our prior all-time high, right? So here's where things get really interesting. If we go to our prior all-time high and we go up 15 to 16%, it takes us to 80,000, a number that is very important in the crypto space according to the 5.3 theory. So according to the 5.3 theory, Bitcoin could possibly go up around to 80K, and it should be less than 100K according to the 5.3 theory. Once again, tilt your phone to the side and subscribe. I'm going to study my 15 charts to see if the top is already in. The 5.3 theory projected that number years ago. And what this chart is saying is Bitcoin could possibly get up to 80K in this candle we are in right now, the third candle. Okay, so pretty interesting stuff. I find it fascinating. However, we have 2 data points here. The 5.3 theory had 4 data points. This one just has 2, right? So let's take it with a grain of salt. Is it possible? Anything's possible. Is it probable? We have 2 data points. If we had 15 data points and they were all repeating the same patterns time and time again, we could be higher on our probable scale. But because there's only 2 data points, we have to take that with the facts that we have, right? So where is this going to net out? Well, we know that we're in the third candle. We know this third candle hasn't printed yet. We know it could project us to go to around 80K in this candle. Now, what about the next candle? When will the next candle print? Is it going to be in 24? Is it going to be in 25? Is it going to extend us to 2026? Because we have been repeating these same patterns. After the bullish engulfing candle, it's been 4 candles to the top. Then we repeat bullish engulfing candle, 4 candles to the top in 2021. So if we're going 4 candles to the top, we're looking at the time frame of middle of 2025 being the possible top. Look for June, July 2025 as being potentially an historic time in the crypto space. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you right near in the next video. By the way, one of the most important quotes in trading is if you give a man a fish, he can eat for a day. If you teach a man to fish, he can feed himself and his family for his entire life. This is important because a lot of folks out there just want one fish at a time. They want to eat for today. They want one trade alert. They want another trade alert. They don't want to learn how to do it themselves. If you look around at the most successful traders, they learned how to fish for themselves so they can feed themselves and their family for their entire life. This is what holds true more than anything else in trading. This is what my courses are based on. My courses are what I'm best known for. My courses are not the FFA. My courses are not the indicator bundle. My courses are what I'm actually best known for. It takes my 25 years of experience and condenses it down into the most powerful courses in the crypto markets. I've gotten a lot of messages recently about my courses because I haven't had them on sale for more than a year. In the meantime, you can go to cryptocurrencyuniversity.com and read about them. They are the most game-changing thing I've ever created in my entire life. This bull run is our road to 500,000 subscribers, but I need your help. Today, tell one person about our YouTube channel, how we spit facts, go against the herd, take no paid sponsorships of any kind. Road to 500,000, let's go.